Good morning, guys. How we doing? Oh man, I'm so looking forward to today's videos because I know I want to teach you guys something on here. A lot of the market is crashing right now. This is very clear over here. A lot of retail traders are selling, but on this channel, guys, we are always trading against retail traders. I know a lot of people may not believe that, but I'm gonna help prove this to you guys today. Guys, just to update you real quick, we just went 68 for 68 wins over here. I ended up calling this exit on Matic here for 5.44%. Yes, the market could go down further, so I want to make sure we lock in profits there. I'll show that to you guys real quick. Here was the entry on literally the 27th that you guys got in with your buy limit. You literally, guys, you can sleep in peace with our buy limits. They will automatically get picked up, wake up in the morning, follow the Telegram channel, and you guys can make money. That is how we trade. We do not use market orders. We use buy limits so you guys can sleep in peace and get really good prices on discount. Like this, watch this channel here, guys. I promise you'll like this. Okay. Second half of this video, I will show you guys exactly how to get into our next trade so you do not miss anything. Today, I want to be focusing on Ethereum, okay? So for Ethereum, let me clear my throat here real quick. This is what I'm looking for. We were looking for the breakdown of the ascending support line, okay? Here's the price here. We were looking at this price right around this about $4,000 level. There's a psychological level at 4,000 that we ended up breaking, and we ended up basically just staying there stagnant at the moment. What I'm watching for, guys, is the break here, which we ended up getting, and I'm looking for a break, a possible retest, and then another move back down, okay? We also see how are we able to predict this move back down. I tell you guys this so many times. The price versus wall money flow as well as the trend exhaustion, you guys need these on your charts. When this pumped into the top red section, which was in this accumulation candles right here, it wasn't on one candle. It was in about 3 or 4 of these candles where we saw consolidation here. What was the chances of it going up? Well, it was probably about 20 to 25%. Why? Because our indicators, I'm always telling this to you guys, these are about 75 to 80% accurate, and there are hardly any indicators that are that accurate. This was where I was looking for a drop back down. We previously went up here in price structure. This is actually at the top of this candle. We started seeing a move back down. This is correlated right here. We also look at the top section over here. This is exactly where we got to the top wick up here, and we started seeing a move back down. Guys, every single time we are heading into the top red section here, we're either seeing consolidation and a move back down, or we're seeing it's trying to pump back up, and this is actually even better for us to call drops back down because divergence takes place. A high and a higher high with a high and a lower high. This is calling drops back down in the market. We even see this over here when we started pumping in this phase over here. We had to start moving back down. Even over here in the top red sections, we even see that it took a pit stop to move back down just for our little indicator here in order for it to move back up after that. We can see this. So why am I so adamant? Let me just show this to you guys over here as well. When did we get in the top red section? It was over here on these candles, all right? And then what were we doing? We were not buying in. We were being patient for the drop back down. Literally every single time we've gotten to the red section here, we have not blasted up. We have seen drops, 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 drops. Okay. The point being, you guys need to get these indicators on your charts because this is how you can do your technical analysis. What's technical analysis good for? It's calling the tops and it's calling the bottoms. That's it, guys. Like, if you can just master tops and bottoms with these indicators, you will do fantastic. This is why I'm telling you guys to get these so much. Really quick, guys, I'm not going to spend much time on this. You have 4 days left. You have 4 days. The price versus wall money flow is going up on the site. Just letting you guys know. I'm also raising the price of the trend exhaustion next month as well. So make sure you guys get that. I'll show you how to do that second half of this video. It's just in the description. It goes over to our indicator page. Watch this now. What am I looking for as Ethereum goes down here? I'm looking for bounces off structure supports here, which is one right here, and we're also seeing another one over here. Let's go over the metrics now, and I'll show you something. But what I want you guys to be watching here is this move down here. I am set up right now in the trade right now for Ethereum to get hit for the buy limits. We have 4 buy limits down here. I'm not going to show you guys where they're at because I want to keep it for paying subscribers. But I'm telling you this. We have not lost a trade yet, and we have trades this morning that are in the profit, like XRP. Incredible entry that we got down here. Solana, we're looking at this. We're down a little bit here, but we almost got picked up on our second limit here. Lincoln here, we're basically got down at the lowest point here. A lot of people FOMO'd in and we're getting down at lower prices, guys. Make sure you are watching this channel, and this is how we're able to take advantage of the wins. Watch this now. We're going to go over to the metrics and take a look at if we were able to predict this with the calls, and I believe we were because I was telling you this to you guys on a couple of videos ago. All of our live trades and all of our metric update every single day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Watch this, guys. Emotional index is pushing up into the excited, getting close to the greedy section. What do I expect here? When this happens in Ethereum, I'm expecting on any coin to see some moves back down. This tried to push to a double top formation up here, couldn't happen, and we saw the move down. Do you need to look at double tops? No, you don't really need to, because these indicators are going to be doing almost a better job at calling the drops, because this is going to give us a time-based, because double tops, great, we can see that. But when we're up in the top red section over here, that's what you guys really just need to be watching. Now, moving down here, what we can see was the pressure. I've been pointing this out to you guys on every Ethereum video, that could Ethereum keep going higher? Yes, it could, but I've been mentioning that there's pressure on here from long trades with short trades increasing in the market. Can a structure go up higher? Yes, a structure can go up higher, but it is going to have a harder time going up higher if you have short trades increasing. This was putting the pressure on it, and now we're seeing the advantage of the short trades, honestly, and we're dropping out here. This could put us into a bear market cycle for the rest of October. Absolutely, that can happen. We're already seeing lower highs and lower lows form on Bitcoin. A high, a lower high, a low, and another lower low, okay? We are in an official downtrend right now. Downtrend's only two things: lower highs, lower lows. We are in an official downtrend for Bitcoin. Let's see how low we can go here, and I have the buy limit set up ready to get hit. Now, moving down here for Ethereum, it's looking for more of good short trades than it is good long trades. Well, what's happening in the market? We're dropping in the market, so that's calling it very well. Now, come over here and look at this. What have Wells, institutions, and smart money been doing on the charts here? They've been looking to accumulate short trades in the market. If that's not clear enough, just simply look at the metric. They're accumulating this when we hit very high prices. You guys can see over here when we hit this high price, short trades were at an all-time high over here in the last, basically the 10 days prior to that. Then we saw a lot of increase in short trades right here, which was here, and they made their money on the drops. I'm not going to bore this with you guys, but you can make a ton of money on these drops if you're just following that metric. How do you do it? You wake up at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. You watch when these metrics get really low down here, and you can trade with them. Now, how are we trading on this channel? Because we are not taking short trades. We only take long trades. Here's what we do. If we see the accumulation of short trades coming out in the market, what am I expecting? Drops back down. What do? We get into trades. We just won the Bitcoin trade yesterday, and we're looking to try to get into another trade now. We just won another trade this morning off this drop on Matic that I showed you guys, and we're getting into trades. Retail traders right now, look, let me just prove this to you guys on Matic. Let me show you something else, because I can go to smaller time frames and show you that retail traders are selling, because obviously the price went down. And while retail traders were selling in here, what were we doing? We were buying. And look at this thing. This thing is just skyrocketing up here now, up 11%. This is reversing. This is crazy. What I'm probably going to do is move the buy limit up here for all of you guys, just to let you guys know. I'll do that after this video is done, because we're going to move this up and secure more profits, and I'll call it on the Telegram channel. So let's go over here to Ethereum again. What you guys are going to be watching for is possible move back down. Let's look at this. Structure support is greatest at about 2,500, 2,600. So let's look at 25, 2,600. On the daily time frame, that puts us way down here. Now, in my opinion, that's really low, and we're on the daily time frame. So where are the next structures? It's going to be right around this area, right here, right there, at these structures. This area is very close to our next buy limit. That's where you guys can get in. I'll show you exactly how to do that in a second here. Looking for dollar cost average entries. Well, we haven't got any in here because we haven't seen some big drops in the market, but when that happens, I am looking for, moves to basically get back into the market. It's not for us who use the dollar cost average strategy. This is for those of you guys who have like $1,000 you want to throw in $100 at each time you get a green line. What we're seeing over here is places where the exit points are coming out to say, hey, heads up, I'm not expecting this to drop every time, but this is at least where we're looking to take some profit, maybe 50 to 25% out of our trades before we could possibly see moves back down. All right. Now, let me show you guys how to get into these trades, because even like this one over here where you guys got triggered in literally to Matic, and you guys got triggered in while you slept. This is how you set up your buy limits so you don't have to actually be at the charts. This is the most fun way to trade. Here's what you guys are going to do. Come over to pricing. It's $49 a month. Yes, I'm looking to update the price of this because, just be honest, it's super cheap. It's the cheapest membership you guys will find for this accuracy on YouTube. Not trying to be prideful or anything. It's just the fact of the matter at the moment, okay? Once you guys have your membership, it will unlock, follow me here, guys. It will unlock all of the metrics that I just showed you guys for each of these coins. What you guys can do to get over here and start trading with us so you can actually take advantage of the rest of the wins we're going to make over here, because we haven't lost a trade, and 68 for 68 is pretty good. Come over here to any of these. Click into any of these guys, and you will actually see a chart, and I'll teach you guys how to trade it right now. We're going to use Bitcoin for an example. Click into any trade. They're all going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time this morning for the new lines. This is going to go from 1026 to what? 10:27 at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. There's literally about 50 minutes left, 52 minutes left before this updates today where I'm recording this video right now. Okay, watch this. All you guys are going to do is this. If you have $1,000 you want to put in the market, choose your amount, split it into 25% increments, and you're just going to put 25% at each buy limit. Each of the 4 lines below the current price is going to be where you guys are going to put 4 buy limits into the market. If you have $4,000, it's just going to be $1,000 at each of them. This is so simple. Once your first buy limit is hit, simply put a sell limit at the yellow line up here. If you have questions, watch this video down here. It will teach you everything. Once you do that, guys, come over and join the Telegram channel. It's going to be a hot link, so you need to go into your Telegram channel on your phone or your computer, log in first, and then click the link, and it will automatically add you guys over here where I'm calling exits. I'm in here and I'm showing you guys how to use the indicators. Now, the indicators you guys want to be picking up because this is how we trade against retail traders. The link that you guys see where it says get our TradingView indicators for 60% off, this is where it's going to take you. At minimum, guys, get the price versus well money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. The bundle pack will give you all 3 of those at a most ridiculous discount of 81%. Plus, you get all 5 of these indicators and 4 other ones. I've coded indicators for a living for TradingView.com 2 years ago for their customers. Guys, these are the best ones you guys can use. Hopefully I'm proving that to you with the win rate over here. Like if I were to win, if I won 10 trades and I lost 6 or something in here and I have like less than 50% win rate, then maybe you guys maybe not have confidence. But I show you every single day, guys, this is how I'm predicting moves down, and this is how I'm looking for exit points in the market, okay? At minimum, guys, the best deal is the bundle pack. It's 81% off right now. Get the price versus the well money flow, the trend dashboard, as well as the trend exhaustion. Those are the ones you guys want in your charts. All right, guys, everything you need is in the description. I hope you have an amazing day. We are going to try to go. We might do it because we only have 4 days left here. We have 68 for 68. We're trying to go for 70 for 70 wins on this chart before the end of the month. I think we're going to probably get there. I'm going to end up moving up after this video here. I'm going to end up doing a call here for Matic. I'm going to be moving the buy limit up here for the stop loss because I want us to lock in more profits. This thing is screaming up here right now. This is crazy what's happening. So again, when something like this happens, you guys are following in the Telegram channel. I'm able to update you guys so you guys can get updates. You seriously, if you want to do this, you don't even have to look at the charts anymore. I'm looking at this enough where I can literally just be your coach. Like literally for $49 a month, we have people making tens of thousands of dollars a week, and it's the cheapest membership you guys will find. Sign up over here before these prices go up. Make sure you have your membership, set up your buy limits, get the indicators, and I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you have any questions. Email me at btradeconfident@gmail.com. Let's make some money, guys. God bless you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.